Damien's working on a BMW 750 Li and he's doing a full custom exhaust. Let's check it out. The old pipes are sitting on the floor right there. He's currently fabricating the entire new system. He's at the angle grinder, not the angle grinder, the table saw thing that goes and it kind of like sands away at the material. Yeah, he's doing something there. The before and after is gonna be completely different. The old plumbing looks absolutely cooked, but the new ones, Damien knows what he's doing. A special addition to the exhaust is a Valvetronic system. You could basically make the car loud or quiet at the click of a button. It's amazing. I wish that they made these more accessible for bikes. I know that there is a company out there that makes them, but not very easily accessible. Plus, they are a bit big. They are a bit bulky for bikes.
I don't have a chair.
Exhaust hangers. Get yourself a vice grip, sturdy table, and a really long pipe.
Yeah, and this is like the skinny one too.
DIY.
DIY.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a better way to do it. I always do it this way. I learned the correct way with it.
What is this, dude? You made something?
No, so I bought this like about a year ago, and then as I started using it, I said, "Ron, this is the best thing I ever used."
What is it?
It's like a pipe holder.
You just hold it?
Yeah, so pretty much like I put it in, and then it kind of locks it. You go like this, it just locks it. And if I move them, I just go like this, I move the pipe, and then I just lock it.
Weld? Like,
yeah, man, easy.
Oh, that's good.
Dude, I weld the whole exhaust with this.
Did it feel faster?
More
efficient?
It feels faster when I unclick it and spinning it. Cause the vise, I had to loosen the vise.
Yeah, loosen it, turn it.
Yeah, and then the vise messed it up too. You know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's good.
yeah, I'm just so stupid that I haven't used it for that long. It's like that, you know, because you're so comfortable using the same thing over and over, you know.
Yeah.
I'm going to do the tip and 4 more hangers. The hangers on this is kind of weird, kind of like long.
Yeah.
So I have to extend the hanger a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, and then when you do dual exhaust, you have to make sure like they both sit like symmetrical. It's a lot. I mean, it's a lot of eye work, you know.
Yeah.
You see this straight or not. So far, so good. Okay, so that one's done. We'll do that one.